How to install your quick change portable air conditioner. What you'll need: measuring tape, a Phillips head screwdriver, and heavy-duty scissors. First, unpack the unit's accessories, which are located inside the unit. Next, lay out all the pieces. Attach the exhaust hose to the unit by screwing it on counterclockwise. Next, place the window exhaust kit against the window to see if you need to cut off any excess. Use the heavy-duty scissors to complete this. Now, place the kit into the window and attach the screw to connect the two pieces. Close the window. Now you're ready to attach the window connector to the exhaust hose. Now attach the hose to the window kit. Plug in and turn on your unit and you're ready to enjoy your Soleus air conditioner.